Hello everyone and welcome to Flush. My name is Heeva and today we're going to walk through the assembly of our 2-pack retail boxes. We have today our 9-ounce jar 2-pack retail box that we're going to be assembling, but this video will apply to any other vessels that cover our 2-pack retail box category. We also have a assembled version of this, just so you can see as reference here. This is the finished product. So with that, let's jump right in. What I like to do first is grab the box and locate each of the creases and give each one of them a fold. And now this is especially helpful if this is your first time assembling any of our boxes, as it really helps give a visual of how the box just naturally wants to come together. So we'll go ahead and do that. You can see here I'm trying to find every crease, and there we go. So once we do that, I'll go ahead and flip it over, and I like to orient the retail boxes with the insert closest to me, and that's this part right here. And we'll grab these two flaps on either side, and we'll grab them, fold them up towards the ceiling, and then in towards each other, and then down to form what is going to be the bottom of the box. And then while doing that, I like to use my remaining fingers on the side, and we'll grab these flaps here, fold them in, and then we'll place the box on its back and form pretty much the main structure of the box here. And you can see how with one hand I can hold it and it stays together. We have the rollovers on the side, which now we'll go ahead and fold those in. And when you do that, you should hear a nice audible locking sound. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Go ahead and fold that down and then lock it closed. So now you can see the box is pretty much fully assembled. We're now ready to go ahead and place the jars in. We'll grab the first jar, and we'll start with placing the first jar on the side where you see the insert is attached with a crease. Now that's important because from here we're going to fold the insert in, create the little divider area that keeps the jars from clanking one another, and we'll place the last jar right next to it. So you'll see once you place that last jar, it's going to keep the insert closed and all together. It's not going to want to spring open at this point, and that'll also create for a nice unboxing when your customer opens it up. Everything stays together really nice. So from here we'll go ahead and close it up, and you can see right down the center we have the divider, as I mentioned, that keeps the jars separated, and we have a little window that shows off the label of your product really nicely. And on the other side, we have a little wave cut out. That's just a little bit of a character we like to add to the box there. If you like, you can place a piece of tape over that. Although you don't have to, since it's a retail box, it's not going to be shipping in the mail by itself. It should be fine just like that. And then lastly, to decorate the box, because we do sell them plain, unprinted, we like to recommend using either custom stamps or custom labels to decorate it and make it your own. And you can find some great examples of that on the gallery on our website. So that's the 2-pack retail box. I hope you love them. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team. We're here and happy to help. Thank you so much.